morning and assalamu alaikum. This is Ms. Nusrat Fatma. Today I am here to discuss the more topics of your chapter. But before starting our lecture, let's have a brief recall what we have learned. We have learned in our previous classes about settlement. Why do people need settlement? What are the basic needs of settlements? What are the causes of settlements? After this, we have discussed about the four main cities of Pakistan that are the highly populated cities of Pakistan. We have discussed about the facts of those cities also. Then today we are going to discuss about further topic, that is Aurangi Pilot Project. Aurangi Pilot Project is based on the town of Karachi that is called Aurangi Town. So objectives. At the end of this lesson you will be able to describe Aurangi Pilot Projects, know about Dr. Akhtar Hamid Khan, learn about Kachi Abadi. Here is the picture of a personality whose name was Dr. Akhtar Hamid Khan. Dr. Akhtar Hamid Khan was the founder of Aurangi Pilot Project and he was the first director of Aurangi Pilot Project. This project was initiated by Dr. Akhtar Hamid Khan. As I have been told you, he was the first director and founder of Aurangi Pilot Project. This project was started as an NGO in 1980 in Aurangi Town in Karachi. Aurangi Town. Let's have an overview with a population of 1 million people. About 1 billion people are living in this area of Karachi. Kachi Abadi. This Abadi was about over 400 in Karachi and was started in 1960s. Now about 1 million people lived there. Because of this overpopulation, this area faces a lot of problems. As you can see here, we know that if there are a lot of people living in one area, if the area is highly populated, so the residents face a lot of difficulties, like they are unable to get all the facilities of their life, and there are a lot of problems which the people suffer. Main problems of Aurangi. By 1918, there were serious problems in Aurangi. Among those problems, there were two main problems. One is sanitation and the other is ill health of the people. So what was the role of Aurangi Pilot Project in this case? The Aurangi Pilot Project staff worked with Aurangi residents to research their problems and solve those problems. The four main problems were absence of sanitation, ill health of people, education, employment. The staff found that the residents were good at saving and had skills in management. So, with the help of the residents, the project became successful and there were a lot of improvement in the area. In that time, over 80% of the township had built its own sanitation system. Due to this and health program, there was a dramatic fall in infant mortality. What is infant mortality? Infant mortality means the death of newborn babies. Homes were modified to make workshops and women were encouraged to become active contributors to the family income. Conclusion. The success of Aurangi Pilot Project, which Dr. Akhtar Hamid Khan and the Aurangi residents achieved without any assistance from government agencies. OPP is being copied by others such as Sindh Kachi Abadi Authority and Karachi Metropolitan Corporation. That's enough for today. I hope you people have got all the ideas. If you have any difficulty, you may ask. Till then, Allah Hafiz.